Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the goodwill from different method, that average profit method, super profit method and capitalization of profit method. So here there are three questions 13, 14 and 15 regarding the finding the value of goodwill. So question number 13, compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of the average profit based on last 5 years profit. Then here last 5 year profit are given. 2013 profit is 40,000, then 50,000, 60,000, 50,000 and 60,000. So here we have to find goodwill by average profit method. You know the formula of goodwill of average profit method. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. So here first of all we have to find the average profit. So here year end profit are given. So here 5 year profit are given, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 50,000, 60,000. So first of all you know the formula how to find average profit. To finding average profit, so average profit is equal to total profit upon number of year. Total profit upon number of year, that is the average profit. So here first of all we have to find the total profit. Here you can see all are in plus, no one is in minus. If minus is there then it is the loss, but here all are the profit. 5 year profit are given, then total of that profit. So 5 year profit total is 40 plus 50, 90, 90 plus 60, 1,50,000, then 50, so 2,60,000. So here total profit is 2,60,000. So here total profit 2,60,000 upon number of year is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of year is 5. So 5 5s are 25, 1 and 0. 5 2s are 10. So 52,000. 52,000 is average profit. So average profit is 52,000. But here we have to find goodwill. So formula of goodwill, you know the formula of goodwill by average profit method. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Number of years purchase. Average profit into number of years purchase. So average profit already we have found 52,000. So 52,000 is average profit and number of year purchase. So here basis of 4 year purchase of the average profit. So don't be confused. Many times what happen, student will multiply with 5. So here you have to see in amount what is given. So purchase of the year, whenever you multiply at that time purchase year you have to write. Here 4 year purchase. So 52,000 into 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 2,08,000. 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20 and remaining 3 0 here. So 2,08,000 is the value of goodwill. So it is very easy if you know the formula. Okay, so goodwill by average profit method. So average profit into number of year purchase. First of all we have to find average profit and multiply with purchase of number of year purchase. So 2,08,000. Now second one, question number 14. Capital employed is given 2 lakh. Normal rate of return is given 15%. Actual profit is given 48,000. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So here another method is super profit, and you know the formula of super profit. So super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. So actual profit is already given 48,000 actual profit, and for finding normal profit you know the formula for finding normal profit. So normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. So capital employed is given, capital employed is 2 lakh. So here capital employed is 2 lakh into normal rate of return is 15%. So 15 upon 100. So 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. 15 to the 30. So 30,000. 15 to the 30 and 3 0. So 30,000. So 30,000 is normal profit. So normal profit is 30,000. So here super profit again come to this formula, actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is already given 48,000 and normal profit we have already found 30,000. So 48,000 minus 38,000, so 18,000. 18,000 is super profit. So super profit is 18,000. But we have to find here value of goodwill by super profit method. Value of goodwill by super profit method. So value of goodwill, so for the formula you know, for finding goodwill by super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Number of year purchase. So super profit is, we have already found 18,000 and number of year purchase is given on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit into 3. So 18 3 is 54. So 54,000 is the value of goodwill by super profit method. So simple. First of all you have to write the formula. Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is given, and for finding normal profit you know formula capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100, and at last goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Now third method. Here question number 16. Rajan and Rajni are partners in a firm. Their capitals were Rajan 3 lakh and Rajni 2 lakh. Means total capital is 3 plus 2 5 lakh. Profit is given 1,50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill assuming that normal rate of return is 20%. So here not mentioned by which method, average profit or super profit. So you know the formula of goodwill. Goodwill at the capitalized value. So goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus capital employed. Capitalized value minus capital employed. So for finding capitalized value is equal to capital employed. So here you can see Rajan 3 lakh and Rajni has 2 lakh. So total 5 lakh into 100 upon NRR. Into 100 upon NRR. So capital employed 5 lakh. Sorry, profit method. Average profit here. Average profit into 100 upon NRR. So profit is 1,50,000. So here 1,50,000 into 100 upon NRR. So NRR how many percentage? 20. NRR is 20%. Average profit into 100 upon NRR. So 100 upon 20. So 0 0 cut. 2 5 is 10. 15 5 is 75 and 4 0. So 7,50,000. 7,50,000 is capitalized value. So here goodwill, formula of goodwill capitalized value. Capital value is 7,50,000 minus capital employed. You know capital employed is 3 plus 2 5 lakh. So 3 plus 2 5 lakh. So capitalized value 7,50,000 minus capital employed 5 lakh. So 7,50,000 minus 5 lakhs. So 2,50,000 is the value of goodwill. Here you can utilize alternative method also. By that also you can get the value of goodwill. So this is the question number 16. You can see how to find goodwill capitalized value minus capital employed, and how to find capitalized value average profit into 100 upon NRR. 7,50,000 capital employed is 5 lakhs, so 2,50,000 is goodwill. Again 14, because sum number 15 is same like question number 14. So here the solution of question number 14, and here solution of question number 13. Thank you.